If you have used Canva, you have probably fallen in love with it. You love how easy it is to use it to create graphics, class post images, Instagram images, worksheets, lessons, slides, anything. You name it, Canva can create it. It's amazing. It's an amazing tool. And you can probably spend hours on Canva using it to create all the content for your classes that you need. But do you have hours to spend on Canva? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Either category you are in, I have some tips that will save you time when you're working in Canva and make sure you are using Canva to its fullest potential. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie from the edtechwizard.com. Here on my channel you will find videos all about teaching online, using technology in your classes, and becoming the best online teacher you can be. So welcome to my channel. Let's jump right in. Our first tip for these Canva productivity tips to save you time when you're using Canva is to utilize the folders. Create folders in Canva. These folders will help you stay organized. You can create a folder for your class and keep all of that information for that one class in that folder. So let me show you how to create that. Here's Canva's home page. So to create a folder, because it's very hard, as you can tell, it's hard to find what you are looking for. There's no rhyme or reason to the order this is in, aside from the fact that it will probably pull up what you open most frequently. So to create a folder, you're going to go here on the side, all of your folders, click on that, and then up here at the right, create a new folder. Now this folder, you can title it the name of your class. Create a new folder. Now everything you create for this class will be in this folder. Super easy to work from here. So right from the folder, you can create a design for anything you need for your class, your presentation, any worksheets you need, and it will be right in this folder. So what if I create something and I would need to put it in a folder? So right on this page, when you're creating it, you're going to go File and Save to Folder. And then you're going to click the folder you want it to save. And this one will be fractions, and we'll click Save. Now it's saved to that folder. So now when I go to search for it, all I have to do is go to the folder and it will be there. Fractions, there's that one I just saved. Tip number 2 for saving you time is to use the templates. Canva comes with a ton of templates that you can utilize to create your slides or even worksheets for your classes. So let me show you how to do that. Canva templates will probably save you the most time. So up here you have options you can choose from. You can scroll down for any of these templates. These are all templates. You'll click on one and it will pop it up. So I love the worksheets and I use the worksheets the most. So you can see all, and it will pop up with all of these templates that you are able to use, and you can tweak them to fit your need. Any worksheet that you need for words, there are math worksheets, science worksheets, anything you need will show up under templates. You'll just click on it. Now you can edit it for anything you need. I usually get rid of that and then change it to fit my needs, and it will always pop up with more templates to use. If another way you can get to the worksheets from the home page is to create a design, and then you will find here, usually just type in worksheet, it will pop up, and you can do worksheet landscape or portrait way, and it will pop up with worksheets. But this button over here, templates, it needs to be on templates. Then you can search for a template. So if I want let's just see, letters, what pop up. I have a specific worksheet for a specific letter, which is awesome. And then you can edit it. I want to put in more pictures that start with T, or less pictures that start with T, or I'm going to switch the pictures because I'm going to talk about different ones during my class. The majority of the work is done for you. Templates are probably the biggest time saver you can find. So if you want to learn more on how to create a worksheet with Canva, watch this video right here. There are also templates for slides. Any lesson slide that you want to create, there are templates for you. And this video will show you how to use templates or create your own from scratch with how to create slides with Canva. Use them all the time for lessons. I love using Canva in all of my classes to create my classes, or to create content for my classes, because it is so easy to get a great visual that will engage your students. If you are interested in learning what other platforms I use to create engaging content for my classes, down below in the description box, download my online teacher tech toolbox. This is a free guide for you that I put together with all of my favorite tech sites in it, like Canva, Google Slides, Nearpod, WiserMe, Kahoot, and I go over all the details of what that site is, what that site does, and give you ideas on how to use it in your live classes and your flex classes. Go check it out. It is a great and valuable resource for you to start jump starting your tech adventure and using it in your classes to create awesome and amazing classes. So down in the description box, click that, download it, and you're well on your way. So let's keep going. Tip number 4, when creating content for my classes, for worksheets, I find that I tend to use the same colors and the same fonts. This is called branding yourself, giving yourself that cohesive look for all of your classes. So people are starting to know, oh, this is what her content is looking like. This is what she does. This is what her font looks like. That's called branding yourself. In Canva, it's very easy to pick out those colors and those fonts that you are frequently using so you can find them faster. What you're going to do is go to brand kit in Canva. In Canva, you're going to head over to the left side again, and there it is, brand kit. Here you can click upload a logo. If you have a logo that you want to put on your worksheets, go for it. You can upload it right there, so it'll be easy for you to add. These are your brand colors. These colors I feel like I'm using a lot, so I just listed them all here. You're going to add a color, and then you can find whatever color you want, or you can put the specific number that you have. Canva also has templates already put together for you. You can look through their templates if you don't have one, and choose one. Go for that way. That way you have colors that easily go together. You can quickly choose from them. Fonts. I love to use these fonts, so I marked them as my brand fonts, so they're up at the top. Just click edit, and then you can go through all of their fonts and choose the one you like. So when you are creating a design, if we go back to this page, if I want to change this font, it's highlighted. My fonts I recently used will be right here, and my brand fonts will always be at the top. So it'll be super easy to find and use those fonts, those favorite fonts you have. Tip number 5 is to save those elements that you frequently use in a folder. So those elements are what you're searching for on the left-hand side. Maybe it's a certain border you always use in your worksheets, a certain accent. You're always searching for speech bubbles. Find those ones that are your favorite, you're always using, save them to a folder. Here's how you do that. Going back to our page, I have always searched for, let's just say, circle, because I love this circle right here, the outline circle. I use it all the time. It's a good accent. I love it. So let's save it. Over here, just hover your mouse over it and it comes up with 3 dots over any shape. You click those 3 dots and then you need to add to likes or add to folder. If it's something I really like, I just add it to likes, and that way it's always there. Now to access it, you're going to go to folders. Here are your likes. Click on it. That's going to pop up with everything you have liked, everything you frequently use in your worksheets or presentations or any graphic you create. It's going to be right there for you. And obviously, I added it. I needed to change that color. There we go. Awesome. Canva is an amazing tool that I use all the time, and I hope you do too. It will help you create a lot of neat content for your classes. I am so thankful you are watching. I hope this will help you in the future. Be sure to watch out for my next video where we'll go over all about using Google Slides and how to start using Google Slides with creating lesson slides. So I'll see you in the next video.